using diamond pads or diamond pucks. We've been doing some testing. Surface prep pads. So if you want to go into a facility that doesn't have a lot of coats of finish, take a few layers off to do like a deep scrub or a quick strip. Yeah. You can use surface prep pads on the machine.
So like a dry strip?
With water.
That's good. I'd rather have a little water instead of being totally dry. Too.
Yeah.
Dust, yeah.
Just a little bit of water, and these pads are surface prep pad. These are, we don't sell these, but they're made by 3M. Americo, we just found out yesterday, Americo is making one of these, but it's a little bit thicker.
Okay.
I don't know who you get your pads from.
Was from Americo, now ACS. Okay. It makes Gorilla now.
Right.
Yeah.
So you might be able to get something like this from them. This is just a 3M surface prep pad.
And so that's for doing some VCT stripping with just water. So you don't, the green, everybody's looking for.
Bill also mentioned that we've been also doing some testing
on some hardwood
for wood floors. So these are
as long as it's smooth.
Sanding screens, yeah, for your hardwood or wood surfaces. So just wanted to kind of show you that. You guys you know the propane side of things. You know that you've already got sidewinders already, probably. Yep. This machine is sidewinder on steroids, basically. It's got a timing belt system, 1-inch pulleys, cog belts, just like on a dragster with the blowers. It uses the same technology, like you know.
No slipping.
No slippage.
Right. Like that.
Now, that is in the drum. The drum is sealed. Inside, it has all those timing pulleys within that inside. The engine still runs a B-section belt with a centrifugal clutch. So, with this machine, the most important thing is make sure the surface is wet when you're, especially in concrete, when you make sure the surface is wet. When you're stripping VCT, make sure the surface is wet. Kawasaki engine, 603cc engine, basically 18 horsepower, AGM battery, sealed battery, maintenance free, 8-gallon solution tank. I say solution tank. Water tank, we don't want to put any stripper in that machine, in that tank, just water. If your floor starts to dry out, you can add some water to the floor to help bring it back. V-twin engine, low emissions, catalytic muffler, just like your car. CARB and EPA approved for indoor use. Got a ball valve here to add some water if you need to turn the water off and on. This is this is an older version. The newer version has a control valve up by the handle where you can turn the water off and on. And there's a skirt on my trailer. This we have a couple of different style skirts. This skirt, and then there's a rubber skirt that wraps around. So if you're stripping VCT, sometimes you'll get that slurry. It'll shoot up.
Yep.
We got a rubber skirt that keeps it from shooting up.
Oh, really?
That wraps around the machine. It's laid under the
ours. Especially when we pull it backwards and once it
it'll swing up. Yeah. So I've got the other skirt there laying in the truck. But cool. Transport wheel. When you're moving around, it's very important to put that transport wheel on because this thing weighs about 500 pounds. Yeah, it's a lot heavier than people realize.
Than the older version.
Yeah.
The sidewinder.
There's about 300.
That was probably fiberglass.
Yeah, fiberglass frame.
This is all steel body. All the pulleys underneath everything are solid steel. I mean, those pulleys are that thick and about that big around, so that adds that weight.
It's easier when you change out the blade, the brushes.
Well, that's what I said about
This.
So
click them.
I'm going to show you real quick how to change.
Yeah.
So whenever you're moving this machine around and you're tipping it back, always pull the pin. Put the handle in the highest position. Make sure the pin is locked in. I've got a bad right knee. I usually do it with my right knee, but you put your foot here and lean back. There's going to be a little bit of water come out of this tank. That's okay. We need a wet floor anyway. So tip it back to take off the transport wheel. Just pull the pin. Transport wheel fits in the spot right here on the side. Just locked in place. So that exposes your brushes, your pad drivers, or your diamond drivers. The way this machine works, just like the Sidewinder, Your drum turns one direction, your brushes turn the opposite direction.
Run at 1700 RPM or faster?
That's about 11.
11 now.
Yeah.
I think the other one, the old one runs with 17.
May have been a little bit faster. With the weight of this one,
Yeah.
we want more weight, less speed.
Okay.
So, if somebody would like just, I'm gonna move this machine. If y'all will spray wet this floor real quick. Just wet out a section there that we're gonna polish. And we're just gonna run the brushes over it right quick.
How wet you want?
That's fine. Maybe just a little bit right there in the corner there. There we go. That's good. Like I said, you always want to lower the machine. I ease it down, ride it down.
Yeah.
You don't want to ever drop it because it can damage the bearings. You guys are used to the sidewinder, so you've probably had that happen before.
Yeah.
One thing, another change that we're getting ready to make, I don't know if Bill knows this or not, we're extending the length of this handle 4 inches.
Okay.
It's going to give you a little bit more leverage
All right, cool.
to lean it back.
Yeah.
So we're extending that handle out.
That's good. Y'all got a good design on it, though. That's what I like. Really, really good design.
Again, this machine has a centrifugal clutch, so the brushes don't start turning until the engine hits 1800 RPM.
Wow.
I like that because you let that old one set, it'll burn the belt right up
Right.
without hitting the clutch.
Right. So I'm gonna fire up here. And this engine is kind of cantankerous a little bit when it's cold. I push it up to about a quarter throttle. Let it warm up for a few seconds. This is our Harley Davidson version.
Yeah.
So we're gonna let it warm up for a few seconds here. And with this machine, wide open, throttle cable, push it wide open, let it go. You don't want to try to half crawl it because you don't want that clutch trying to gauge disengage. You want to go wide open on this stuff. That right there is what your brushes can do. That's
Okay.
just stripping brushes. All right, so if we got an auto scrubber, if somebody would like to scrub that up,